Do you find it difficult to speak English fluently and confidently, even after many months or years of study? Then don't worry about it. In this video, I'm going to talk about only 10 tips which is going to boost your confidence. I'm sure your dream to speak English confidently will come true after watching this video. To begin with, build your English vocabulary, the first mantra. English fluency begins with words and phrases. Vocabulary is the heart and soul of any language. Without these building blocks, you have nothing. Build your vocabulary with more words. Reading. You read a lot. Reading is great because it allows you to learn and to reinforce vocabulary. You learn the new words. You start writing the new words, jot it down, revise them so that you don't forget them. Use a good bilingual dictionary and try to learn English by using some games like the word power games like Unscramble, solve different kind of puzzles, read idioms and phrases. The second tip, improve your English grammar. Gain a solid level of overall grammar competency. Learn the tenses, especially present tense and the past tense. One of the most crucial tool which you can use to improve your grammar is the online English grammar. The third tip is here, practice speaking in fluent manner. Reduce hesitations and filler words. Read aloud just like an actor. Rehearse the same text again and again till you speak it fluently and accurately. Pace yourself. Have a good speed. Your speed might impact your speech. Listen to yourself. Record yourself. The fourth guide is here. Become a good listener. Be a great listener and show that you are listening with eye contact, facial expression, appropriate body language, and accurate verbal responses. You will win friends and influence people when you show others the respect of listening to them. Do not use listening time to plan your remarks. You cannot respond well if you did not listen well, and people will notice and they will not like it. Of course, listening well does not mean agreeing. In fact, if you plan to disagree, you need to have the other person's comments in mind. So start listening a lot. Think in English. Speak fluently in your head. Think, don't translate. Think in English. Train your brain and build your English infrastructure. Teach your inner voice to speak English, and the outer voice will definitely follow it. The sixth tip, talk to yourself. One fine day, I was conducting a seminar on personality development. During the Q&A session, a learner named Ashish, he asked me a question. The question on which everybody laughed. His question was, "Sir, I'm a big fan of Shah Rukh Khan. How can I become confident, fluent, and look presentable like Shah Rukh Khan so that I can be famous?" Think for a moment if you have also asked or thought about the same question. Everybody today wants to be confident, fluent, and look presentable. I used only two words to answer his question. You know what was the word? What were the words? I said mirror practice. All the great actors, politicians, businessmen, and public speakers, they use this technique. So when you practice in front of the mirror every day, you know how you look like, you know how you talk, you know what facial expressions you are applying. You can work on these things in advance. This way, you will not waste your time in anything else. When your mind is free and you know what you are doing, you will automatically become confident. Every day, mirror practice will bring you closer to the English language. In mirror practice, speak about your daily activities. Talk about few topics which you like more. You will start learning framing some simple sentences. So this is how the mirror practice can make you more confident and fluent as far as learning English is concerned. The seventh tip, enjoy some English entertainment. Entertain yourself with movies, series, and podcasts. English subtitles are the best way to learn English. Amazon Prime, Netflix, YouTube, they all deliver films and series. With podcasts and documentary films, you can learn about something that is very important to you while improving your English. So, what could be better than that? The next step is here, read aloud. So, read books, articles, blogs, magazines, newspapers. Read poetry aloud. It exercises the same vocal organs which you exercise when speaking to someone. It brings clarity to your voice. The next tip is here, refine and correct your English pronunciation. So learn intonation. It carries a lot of meaning. Fix any kind of pronunciation errors which interfere your English speaking skills. For example, those who are Hindi speakers, they face difficulty in saying sir and sure, like fashion, they pronounce fashion, like school, they pronounce school, school, station. So practice a lot of as far as the English pronunciation is concerned. Learn the basic English sounds that are 44 sounds in English, 20 vowels, and the 24 consonant sounds. Accept the fact that English spelling is very often disconnected from English pronunciation. And the most important, to eradicate or to remove your mother tongue influence, you practice tongue twisters. Tongue twisters will definitely bring a lot of change in your English pronunciation. You can start with some easier and you can move on to the difficult tongue twisters. The last tip is here, get APPY with it. You'll be surprised to know that what is APPY? We are living in the era of technology. So we have a smartphone. It's the most important gadget to improve our English. So what we can do, we can record a voice, delete, re-record until you reach the level of perfection. Use online dictionaries to check the pronunciation of difficult words. Use technology intellectually. So, dear friends, this is how, by following 10 tips, I'm sure you will speak English confidently and fluently. Practice, practice, practice. It has been well quoted. When it comes to success, there are no shortcuts. If you have any questions, you can reach me at this email ID, mukeshenglish@gmail.com. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel, write your valuable comments. Thank you for your time.